So Plottr, the easiest way to explain it is Plottr is a visual outlining software that's designed for writers. So it's like I used to use corkboards, and I may or may not have had a giant whiteboard on one wall in my office. I can neither confirm nor deny that fact. However, and I draw with different colored pens and pencils and things like that. Plottr allows you to do that digitally, first of all, along with a bunch of other tools to keep your story Bible, so your characters, your settings, all those different things in a single file in a single location. So there's a ton of ways that writers can use it to plan their stories. You can either, if you're a plotter like me, you can plot ahead of time and plan your story. And you can use, we have templates in Plottr that you can use that are proven story structures. So you can make sure that my story aligns somehow with a proven plot structure. And so it makes sense. The pacing's good, the timing's good, and I'm including all the elements of reader expectations for that genre or that thing. Or if you're a true discovery writer, you still plot. I guarantee you still plot. You just plot during the second draft. When you're going back and fixing those plot holes and rewriting the second draft, you're plotting. You're figuring out, where did I go wrong in draft number one, and what can I do to fix it? That's what that second, third, fourth draft are. Hopefully only a second or third draft if you actually want to make money at this type of thing. And so you can actually take what you've written, plot it out in Plottr, and then after you've already written it, you can put it up against a plot structure or something, and you can see, is my pacing off? Does this scene not belong? Is this something I should delete? Is this something I should do? That type of thing. So it's there's tons and tons of different ways that you can use Plottr to plan your stories, but the primary thing is it's like a corkboard or a whiteboard, only digital and way less messy, and your spouse will appreciate you not cluttering up one of the walls of the house with corkboard.